Hey Jack, did the truck come today?
Truck come today.
Yeah?
Dump out the castle.
Yeah, he dumped out the castles, didn't he? A big pile of dirt. And did you see the garbage truck today?
Dump out.
Yeah. He dumped the garbage out.
Garbage truck.
Garbage truck.
Fire truck.
Where's the fire truck?
Right there.
Right there?
Oh, dump out.
In the road?
Dump out the sand.
Dumped out the sand, yeah.
Big sand.
Big sand is right.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Yeah, don't touch it. It's dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't want you to get dirty.
Just dirty.
Yeah, we don't want to get dirty in our clothes.
So dirty.
Yeah.
My clothes.
Yeah, not in our good clothes. Where did Daddy go?
Daddy, go.
Is Daddy on the airplane?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say Germany?
Me.
Yeah, Daddy's going to Germany. Oh. Jack, how old are you going to be?
B.
How old are you going to be?
3.
No, you're going to be 2.
2.
Yeah, you're going to be 2 on Saturday. Why are you on the table? Get down.
Take you, Jack.
Take you, Jack.
Take
Take Jack. Okay. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.